This is the most dangerous experiment in human history. Astronauts from 7 countries decided to verify the existence of the God particle by activating a particle collider on the International Space Station. However, before the experiment began, a science fiction writer on Earth issued a warning, claiming that multiple particle collisions could tear apart space-time, causing 2 dimensions to collide, and even triggering an invasion of terrifying extraterrestrial creatures. But the astronauts ignored the warning. After the experiment started, the particle collider was activated, and the entire space station shook violently. Since this was their final experiment, everyone was extremely nervous. When the particles accelerated to the critical point, engineer Zhang discovered that the particle collision had been successful, and everyone breathed a sigh of relief. However, just seconds later, the particle collider overloaded, causing the space station to explode. The astronauts were knocked unconscious and were drawn to the ceiling by anti-gravity forces. The experiment failed, but the problem was far from over. After a flash of white light, Earth mysteriously vanished, and the astronauts could no longer receive any signals. The captain believed the experiment had caused the space station to flip and instructed Ava to check the cameras for signs of Earth. But no matter from which angle they looked, Earth was nowhere to be seen. The astronauts became anxious and rushed to other